Alright, in this presentation I'll be going over 3 misconceptions. Disclaimer, the income is not guaranteed. You are the one responsible to make the money. This is for informational purposes only. Let's begin. So I want to first start off with asking you this question. Do you know what the 3 misconceptions are when it comes to affiliate marketing and an online business in general? A lot of people think that in order to have an online business, you are to go out there, get a link, send it out there to whoever is willing to buy the product, and you get paid. Well, I'm going to go over exactly these misconceptions. Here they are. First misconception is that it is quick to make money, that you can make money fast. We all would love to have money and make it quickly. I know for myself, it would have been awesome if in the beginning of my business I started making money right away. But it just didn't happen like that. I'm already 10 months in, starting my YouTube channel, and the money still has not rolled in like I expected. It takes a long time to make money online, especially on an online business. The belief is that all I gotta do is send a link to somebody and I get paid. Well, this is another misconception, because first of all, you gotta have somebody that's gonna trust you before they even buy from you. Think about it this way. You're the buyer and you come across someone's link, and just because they have a link, say, go here, click this, buy this, are you really gonna take the time, pull out your wallet, put your credit card information in and buy the product from somebody you don't even know? Somebody that just says, here, click this link and go here and buy it? Me neither. And that's where the problem is. Most people think that you can just send someone to a link and they're going to buy automatically. And that just is not the case. The other one is time is short. Believe me, let me tell you, it takes a lot of time, because you got to make content that people are willing to watch or listen to or consume. And that takes time. And it takes time for them to build their know, like, and trust factor with you. People are not going to buy from you just because you say to buy from you. They have to know you first. They have to like you. And not everyone likes me, but that's okay. I still put my videos up here for you. Whoever does want to watch it. Whoever does want to take action and change their lives. I'm not doing this for the money. This is a side income business. But right now, what I'm doing is I'm sharing my knowledge with you for free. I'm not making no money doing this. Why? Because I want you to learn to know me, to like me, and to trust me. Hopefully we can establish a relationship together in business, and we can go further together if you so choose so. Now this video concept of 3 misconceptions was inspired by AJ Rance in his private Facebook group. I want to give him credit because that's where the credit's due. This is where you go if you want to get my free affiliate marketing gift. JonesRandomKnowledge.com. And one more thing. If you would, please refer a friend. Tell them to go to Google and type in Jones Random Knowledge, just as you see. Thanks.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm curious, what made you click this thumbnail and watch this video? Was it the thumbnail? Was it the description? Was it curiosity? Please leave a comment below. I greatly appreciate your feedback. Thank you.
Remember to click the link below for my free ebook of proven successful steps. Be good to others, because God has been good to you. Until the next one, take care.